Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Lululemon application for your iPhone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your App Store and in the search box type in Lululemon and search. Look for this application and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your device and you can go ahead and launch it open anytime you want. Lululemon is a Canadian-American multinational athletic apparel retailer which has become a global leader in the activewear industry, known for its high-quality yoga apparel and athletic wear. That is how you should be able to download and install Lululemon on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.